Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, welcome back. I'm so sorry it took me so long to make another video. The reason is I don't know if I told you guys this, but I have bipolar disorder, and so my mood swings are all over the place. You know, some days I'm like normal, other days I have my ups, and some days I have my downs, and so it's just so hard to be consistent on this platform as well as trying to make a living and stay afloat. But I'm coming on today to talk about how so surprised I am that the Supreme Court ruled in the favor of college athletes. So there was this case where the college athletes were being incentivized to go to certain schools, I guess, and you know they were going to receive, I guess, notebooks, and some other various items for going to the school. And the Supreme Court actually ruled in their favor and said that the N.C.A.A. couldn't stop them from doing that, and I'm so happy. Like, especially considering the fact that this is primarily a conservative court. I believe there are six conservative leaning judges and three liberal judges. So it's just freaking unbelievable. Maybe we shouldn't start packing the courts just yet, but I won't hold my breath. So yeah, I definitely agree with this, and I think this is the. I was reading an article, and I'll link it down below. I think it was from the New York Times, where they were talking about how this may be a step in the right direction, and maybe the first of many steps that the Supreme Court is gonna have to take, and it's gonna be interesting to see what side they're gonna be on, whether or not it's gonna be on the division, or whether or not it'll be on the side of the student athletes. And hopefully it'll be on the side of the student athletes. I think they should go as far as allowing athletes to make money off of their name, and be able to get sponsorships, because they are pretty much putting their bodies on the line, and you play something like football, you play something like basketball, soccer, you're putting a lot of wear and tear on your body, and God forbids you were to get injured and sustain lifelong injuries, and then you're not even able to play professional sports, so they call it. But yeah, if you're not even able to make it past college and make it to the professionals where you can make money, that would suck, because you just wasted all this time making all this money for the colleges, but you're not able to make money. And their defense is that when you're a college athlete, you shouldn't make money then, because you're not professional. That's what um, the people, the college, the N.C.A.A. is saying, and that's their reason why they don't think the college students should be paid. But I think they should be paid. I mean, I know they get scholarships to be able to go to college, so they get a degree out of it. But that's not enough. If colleges are making billions, like I think it's over $1 billion business, for colleges, is to make that much money off of the college athletes. And why aren't the college athletes getting anything out of it? Especially if you consider the case that I was just talking about, how like if you get hurt in college, you're not be able to go play in the professional league, then that basically ruins your life. Like, or you have to make another uh, career decision. Um, so yeah, and I was actually thinking, I was looking for a football or basketball, something in this house, because like I go back to college and I try to be a college player to make some of this money. And I was just thinking, like, also, if they do uh, move forward with allowing college students to make money, what about all of the athletes that came before them? Should there be some sort of like reimbursement to them for all the time that they spent making money for the colleges? It's just a system, and I know that we're gonna look back on this and just think, no, I can't believe that the system is set up the way it is. I mean, and a lot of us are in disbelief now, But just think about the generations to come. This is going to be one of those moments where history is gonna frown upon, uh, you know, what we're doing now.